Alright, hey guys, welcome back. So, reason I haven't been doing too many videos is I've been working on a lot of stuff, as you can see in the back there. This one's getting a new stator, and this one went crank over, had steering problems. I didn't take really any videos, so I won't do a quick video. So what I did is I'm going through the wiring harness here and everything. So what we had to do is clean up the terminals on here, replace the switch here. It's the old wire that's getting removed. Fix this switch, go into inside here and fix this up, little circuit board in there. Then we had to trace each one of the grounds on each one of the wires, make sure everything was connected. And then we had to go in, and there is a fuse right here, but that's where that goes. It's the battery hookup there. But yeah, in case y'all are wondering why I haven't been uploading videos. Then we had to come back here, put a new custom linkage cable on it, because you can't buy these anymore. So we had to put a fabricated one. We had to fabricate one to put on. Main thing is, this is a very particular distance that I could not find, and we had to order a cable that was the wrong type, cut it down, bend this, and then make two new cap nuts, because they don't make those in the correct size to easily buy. So we did that. Then we had the fuel pump, gas tank, carburetor, battery, and then the electrical. Now we're putting it all back together. Oh, and the front steering. And now we're putting it all back together. But that's what I've been up to. Y'all have a good one.